Good morning, everybody. I have a mini album to share. This is for a swap over at Minialbumscraps.com, and this is by LM Creative Creations, and it's a love Valentine theme album. This is the front with a mat and a heart clip. This page has 2 pockets and 2 mats, and each page has a top-loading double-sided matted mat, and this side has 2 flip pages, another paper clip. This page flips out, also has a pocket with some mats. And the next page, a double flap, so you can have a whole layout there, like that. And another pocket. This holds it closed. There's a little envelope, and this just opens like that. And another jar, mason jar, and this opens to another spread. And the last page is a double pocket again with a little glitter heart. And this opens up to a waterfall. This. And that. And then the back is it's the rest of this paper here on the front. Here's my front cover, and then here's my charm. Oops, sorry. Here's my charm. It has a puppy for like puppy love, a little hope cancer ribbon, and a music note, a couple little hearts, and a little piece of bling held on a clasp, a little ribbon. So this is, like I said, the tutorial is from LMS Creative Creations on YouTube. I'll put a link below for that so you can see that. And this is for a swap over at Minialbumscraps.com. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.